Hey everyone, my name is Zane. This is Altcoin Disrupt. Today we'll be having a look at Efinity. So what is Efinity? It's a next generation blockchain for NFTs, right? And it's actually got a token sale on CoinList, and registration is actually open until June the 18th. So there's plenty of time to register, and sale actually start on June the 24th. So yeah, it's plenty of time to register because I'm actually making this video on the 9th of June. So you guys got plenty of time. Now guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice. It's just for entertainment and educational purposes. So what is Efinity? Enjin pioneered a non-fungible token NFT industry in 2017, authoring the advanced ERC 1155 token standard and launching the first NFT creation platform. So that's actually quite interesting because I did not know Enjin actually created the first NFT platform. So that's actually really exciting. Enjin is the team behind Efinity, a cross-chain NFT network powered by Efinity token EFI and built on Polkadot. Efinity is environmentally friendly and scalable and built to enable a future where NFTs are widespread and easy to use as smartphones today. So that's what they want to do. They want to make it easy to use, simple for everyone to understand, and that's actually a really good thing. So Efinity is actually designed for simplicity, rewards for everyone, a network for every NFT. So that's good. That's all three, and that's huge for NFTs and cryptocurrencies globally. So fees on Efinity are designed to stay in the background. End users don't need a blockchain wallet. Transactions are confirmed in 6 seconds, which permits the fast response time and need for mainstream applications. And this is a reward for everyone, right? So unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, Efinity rewards the network participants, not miners. Everyone from NFT creators and traders to developers, early adopters is rewarded with the EFI token, fueling the Efinity growth and development. So this is good. This is what I like to hear. Participants, people who are involved, are actually getting rewarded, not just people who've got huge mining factories, right? So a network for every NFT. That's good as well. That's really good. So Efinity is built on Polkadot, allowing any NFT from any chain to be moved to a network, supercharging it with the next generation features, low fees, and fast transaction time. Efinity will enable NFTs to be utilized by virtually any industries, unlocking $1 trillion of business, unlocking trillions of dollars in current e-liquidity and unique real-world and digital assets. So at this point, you might be wondering, what is Efinity? So introducing Efinity, a next-generation blockchain for NFTs. So I've already said that mostly. But just to break it down to make sure everyone understands it, it's a cross-chain token highway designed to enable a specific kind of future, one where NFTs are widespread and easy to use as smartphones today. So here's a great analogy of what NFTs are today, right? NFTs today are like spaceships in the late 60s, good enough to get you to the moon, but not powerful enough to get us to the stars. So that's a great analogy. So obviously what they're basically saying is that NFTs has a lot more potential, and what they're trying to do is develop it in better ways to be more functional, to be more powerful, easier to use, and less cost, more cost effective. So a lot of people can use NFTs, and not just specific people, because it's really expensive on the Ethereum blockchain. The supply limit is capped at 100 million tokens, right? So that's key to remember. But each token will cost $0.20 US. So that's $0.20 US, that's 20 cents per token. Tokens release linearly over 9 months, starting on or around August the 4th, 2021. So that just gives you some late idea that this year the tokens will be fully released to the entire world. So minimum and maximum purchases. Minimum purchase, you'd have to purchase at least $100 worth of tokens. So we can have a look at the token distribution. Public sale will get 5%, strategic round is 5%, early round is 7%, seed round 3%, team is 10%, and company is 20%. Also, staking and pools is 15%, and the ecosystem itself 35%. So that's actually really nicely distributed. I really quite like that, and I like that the public sale is actually a really low amount, which means that the cryptocurrency itself will be quite rare in the hands of the early investors. So what are some of the use cases of Efinity? Now, Efinity is a core pillar of Enjin's multi-chain ecosystem, alongside JumpNet and Ethereum. Now, two-way bridges between JumpNet and Ethereum and Efinity will enable individuals and businesses to create NFTs that easily move across different chains, taking advantage of each other's unique benefits and features. So Efinity is built to radically redefine the NFTs are, what they can do, and how individuals and companies can use them. So speaking of businesses are enterprises of sizes including leaders, global brands such as Microsoft and Binance are using Enjin NFT ecosystem to engage and grow their audience. Developers, over 50 games and app developers are using Enjin to create and integrate NFTs in innovative ways, from open world RPG to augmented reality and sci-fi fantasy adventures. So as you can see, Efinity is built by Enjin, a blockchain technology company that forefront NFT space. Now, it was actually founded in 2009. That's actually incredible. Enjin first launched a gaming community platform called Enjin Network and grew it to more than 20 million users over the course of a decade. So in 2017, following a successful ICO, Enjin established itself as a leading blockchain developer, creating one of the first ever NFTs and authorizing the ERC-1155, a groundbreaking Ethereum token standard that enables developers to deploy their both fungible and non-fungible items in a single smart contracts. So Enjin end-to-end ecosystem offers individuals, brands, and businesses everywhere they need to utilize NFTs. So this is actually trusted by Microsoft, Samsung, BMW, Atari, and wide range of games and developers. So these are some of the biggest companies in the world who all put their trust in Enjin, which is huge to see them partner with a cryptocurrency and an NFT cryptocurrency generator. It's actually huge, and as you can see, Enjin is actually involved in a lot of game. I mean, it's a gaming cryptocurrency, it's an NFT itself, and that's just brilliant for the space itself. So I really look forward to seeing how Enjin grows and how Efinity itself grows as well. So if you visit Coin Market Cap, you can actually see that the ICO is upcoming. Like I said, you got plenty of time to participate in the registration of the token sale on CoinList, which actually they make it super easy. So it's easy to understand. Once again, they tell you some of the token distribution, and they told you how much of the token will be available for sale. It's 100 million token. But this actually says token for sale. I don't think this is absolutely correct. The very limited 100 million supply of the token, but I don't think all of this token is up for sale. I think it's a small percentage that is actually up for sale. So let's just take a quick look at this, right? Built with Polkadot, Efinity is a next generation blockchain. But here's a crazy stat, right? The total NFT trading volume in December was around 12 million. Fast forward 3 months, and that number is raised over 500 million worth of NFTs that have been traded. That's incredible. And as you can see, a lot of celebrities, a lot of artists have been getting involved in NFTs, you know. And some people like it, some people don't. Some people think it affects the environment, and some people like that it can support artists or underrated. Efinity is purpose-built for NFTs and designed to incentivize stakeholders that help the ecosystem grow. So Enjin coin holders will be able to stake their Enjin into nodes in Efinity thermologically collaborator and earn passive income in the form of Efinity native tokens. So this is brilliant. This is absolutely brilliant. You get to stake your Enjin coins and you get to earn Efinity tokens in reward. This is brilliant. So 15% of the total supply of Efinity is reserved for staking. And that's absolutely brilliant. I think this was a brilliant strategy for them to take. Now, transaction fees on Efinity will vary based on the transaction type, like transactions or bridge fees, all market fees, or 2.5 will be distributed to Efinity pool on the network, with NFT creators being able to charge additional fees for profit, trade, and activities. So how about the governance? Because governance is very important for cryptocurrency all around. So Efinity parachain uses decentralized governance. Anyone can submit a proposal, and Efinity holders have the opportunity to vote on proposals and referendums. So privilege function, allowing changes to functions like transactions or marketplace fees. Code update, involve updates to parts of the entire Efinity code. And obviously they go a bit further into it that NFTs are for everyone, which I really like, that they're starting to make NFTs more accessible for everyone, as they said. So this is actually a brilliant thing that they're doing. So big question that I have, now that we know the price of the ICO coins, which is 20 cents, US cents, so we also know that the supply of the tokens will be 100 million. We get to estimate, like, what do you think the price will be when the token is actually live after the ICO, after mainnet, when the token is actually live? This is a big deal, right? This is a huge deal, because now I get to tell you an estimate of where I think the token price can be. So the best place to look is Enjin themselves. Enjin has 1 billion tokens in circulation, in supply actually, and the price is $1.30. But obviously the price was much lower even back in January this year. So based on this, I can absolutely say, and I think the token sale would be quite popular for Efinity. I can honestly say that the price could be anywhere from around $5 to around $25, and that's at the start of the live coin release. Now, I do expect this cryptocurrency to go up a lot higher. I'm talking like $50, $100 eventually. Maybe not this year, but I can definitely see this year around $5 to $25 when the token is live. And that's really exciting. So in terms of whether or not this cryptocurrency can 100x, well, it all depends on the release price, the live price when it is released. So I'm not 100% sure if it will 100x, but I can definitely see this cryptocurrency based on the release price, whatever that will be, because I'm not actually sure what the release price is. It's almost impossible to tell what the release price will be, but as an estimate between $5 and $25, question is, will it 100x from that starting point? In my opinion, I think it will definitely be able to 10x, 20x, maybe even 30x and 40x, but 100x is a much bigger margin. I make a second video closer to the ICO and after the ICO and after the coin is live. I'll keep you guys up to date and let you guys know if I think this cryptocurrency can 100x and whether or not it will someday 100x. So thank you all for watching. Subscribe. Like I said, this is not a financial video. This video is based on entertainment and educational purposes, but this is the information for the token sale and for the token sale registration. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.